Hi, this is Mark Miller. I'm the Phoenix chapter president for Truth at Work, and I'm here to invite you to a June 2nd all-member and guest meeting we're having. At that meeting, you're going to be hearing about the future of Truth at Work from our presidents, Dave Holly and Ron Ewing, and the future of work in an AI age. If that interests you in any way, text me at 480-229-4960. Hope to see you there. Talk to me about the various AI models, the various databases. I keep hearing ChatGPT, and then I hear Google, and then I hear Gemini, and they're somehow connected. And so take us through those real quickly.
First thing people should know about the different models is that there's no one, for most situations, as people are getting started, that is going to be better or worse, right? It's all going to be better than it was 6 months ago. 6 months from now, it'll be better than it is today. So the main ones are, the providers are going to be Google, who is obviously in the space since the beginning, OpenAI, which runs ChatGPT, xAI, and that's kind of like Elon Musk and the Tesla people, and Grok.
Grok is their ChatGPT.
Yeah, and ChatGPT, Gemini, which is Google, Claude, and Grok are all just product names, right? This is marketing, right? So this traditional business we have trained and done training and basically made our proprietary database of all this information. So it's really good when you put something into this box, it gives you something back that feels really like, wow, but they make the product very easy to use. But ultimately, people ask, should I use this one or this one? Unless you're doing very, very frontier stuff, very expert fringe technology, any of these are gonna work very well.
Just pick one to use.
Pick one, and you may not even notice a difference.
Well, and then we're gonna be talking about how to pick one and where to start when we get together on June 2nd.
But that'll change too, and I think that's one of the things we wanna talk about in June 2nd is how do you make decisions going forward though, right? Because as you go down the road as a business, you're gonna have to make decisions about, do you tie your ship to one dock? Do you bet on that horse over there? Or do you have options? And I think that's one of the things that people gain coming is how do you think and have a framework about evaluating what to use when and how to protect your own, I think, business proprietary process.
I like it. Okay, good, wonderful.